Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add another account in Zoho Mail. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Zoho Mail account by opening your browser and visiting mail.zoho.com. Sign in with your credentials, and once you're in the main inbox, look at the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens your settings. In Settings, locate the section called Mail Accounts. This is where you can manage all email configurations. Click Add Mail Account, which you'll find as a button with a plus symbol. Next, choose how Zoho should connect to your external account. You can pick IMAP, which syncs across devices, or POP, which downloads emails to one device. After selecting the protocol, choose your provider, like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or select Other if it's not listed. Now, enter your details: your display name, full email address, incoming and outgoing server information, username, and password. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, you can also authenticate using OAuth for added security. Once authenticated, Zoho will start fetching emails and allow you to send from that address. So that's basically how you can add another account in Zoho Mail. That's it for this video. Thanks.